Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and in a new day of this course. In today's class, we are going to learn two steps. Both are very important. First is shifting and second is jump. So let's start the class without wasting any time. This is my right, ये आपका भी right है. This is my left, ये आपका भी left है. So this video is mirrored. Alright, so the very first step, shifting. So come to this position. You should stand in parallel position. Both the toe should be in parallel. Now take this leg to this side and shift this leg to this side in your right side. Okay, one more time, 5 6 7 go. Take to the center and shift your right side, right leg. Let's do one more time, 5 6 7 go. 1, very easy. Now the same concept goes to the left side. Take your right leg in the center and shift your left leg to the left side. Again, 1 2. Okay, let's break it. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Look, my upper body is leaning. 5 6 7 go. 1, lean to the left side. 2, lean to the right side. Okay, so let's convert two counts into one count. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. Very easy. This concept is known as shifting. Okay, now add the hands. Hand gesture will be fisted. You have to do punch, open punch. Okay, this is cross punch, open punch, and now roll up, roll down. Look slowly. Punch, cross, punch, open, roll up, roll down. Okay, let's combine with the legs. Shift and cross hand, shift and open hand, roll up and roll down. Let's do one more time. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. Okay, from here we are going to learn the second step, which is jump. Jump is basically you are jumping to the one side, then jumping to the other side. Look, jump, same thing to the other side, jump. Very easy. From both legs you have to jump. 5 6 7 go. Jump, 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 jump. 4 times. Zigzag, zigzag. 5 6 7 go. Jump, 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 jump. Look how cool step this is. Like you have to add your hand, open, cross, open, cross. Again the fisted hand. Let's do one more time. 5 6 7 go. Open, cross, open, cross. Understood? Let's do the both step, shifting and jump from the top. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. From here you have to jump to the left side. 5 6 7 8. Very easy. Let's do one last time, super slow. 5 6 7 go. Shift. 1 2 3 4. Understood? From here you have to jump from both legs. Hey. Okay, now hands. 5 6 7 8. Again you can do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ऑल्सो एक बहुत ही छोटी सी चीज है जिस पे ध्यान देना आप, जब हम लोग शिफ्टिंग करते हैं उसके बाद मेक श्योर करना इस पैर को थोड़ा सा पास लाके देन जंप करना. अगर आप इस पोजीशन से जंप करोगे तो बहुत अजीब लगेगा. सो मेक श्योर you have to close it, then jump. Okay, 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Had you noticed I close my leg, then I jump to the back side. So you have to make sure that you have to close your leg, then you have to jump. Let's try on the music. 5 6 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 and a 5 6 7 8. So thank you so much guys for having this class. If you are new on this video, please go and check the classes from day one. All the classes have a great stuff. So keep learning and keep watching my more videos. Please go and check other channel of my Saurabh Weaver's Crew vlog. Please do watch this video and subscribe this channel. मिलते हैं आपसे next video में. Till then, keep practicing, keep dancing, keep smiling. Have a good day, have a good night. This is Saurabh Weaver's Crew signing out.